YouTube? This is Hoob with Hoob's Garage. We're up here at the drag strip here. Dad's got the race car out. He's going to give it a run here. I don't really know anything about what's going on or any of this, but I think it'll make for some cool videos. And I see they got a concession stand, so that's the important thing to me. So that's what we're doing on this episode of Hoob's Garage.
And slower, please come to the back of the lane.
First round on that one because he doesn't really know how this arm drop shit works. He's always been a bracket racer, and this is his first chance trying that. Plus they got him running in a 7 or a 6 second class, even though he's a 7-second car, which I think's like a pretty. But anyways, it's still testing tonight, so we're going to get plenty more chances to run it a few more times here, and I'm going to try to video some of the other cars running. Making another lap here in a minute or two. He's getting ready to run up and make another pass here, and we'll see how that one goes.
getting back here. We need Charlie. Charlie, wait a minute. We need you on the line. You're ready. You're forward and up. Hey, John, go ahead and send it. He's not going to make the call.
Well, he's back from that one, and as you can see, the other car wasn't there, so I don't really know what that means. So I'll keep you updated, I guess. I don't know. Okay, he's getting ready to go for another run here. Apparently, some kind of buyback thing. That's what he's been doing. I thought it was test and tune, but whatever it is, that's what we're doing now. The final there. There he comes down pit road. He lost that one. Somehow he made it to the final round though, racing cars that were a full second faster than him. So I give him that. That's pretty awesome. Then we'll go ahead and close out the video here. It was a pretty good time coming back out since he hadn't had the car out in like 20 years. I definitely appreciate you all watching. Sorry I didn't get more of the other cars, but it's kind of hard for me to help him with things over here and film a bunch of other cars at the same time. So, but he said he's pretty happy with the way it ran. I'm really surprised too. So. But hey, this is Hoops Garage. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you all in the next one. We'll see y'all.